Students, today we will discuss on chemical reactions of thiophene. The remaining chemical reactions of thiophene. So, the next reaction is chloromethylation reaction. Now, in this reaction, this thiophene reacts with formaldehyde and dry HCl gas in the presence of fused zinc chloride. It gives 2-chloromethylthiophene. 2-chloromethylthiophene. So in this reaction, from this thiophene, and the second question, this H, this O, and this H combine, and it is in the water molecule. So what is it? This CH2 and this Cl at this second position in place of H. So form 2-chloromethylthiophene. So what is the reaction? When thiophene reacts with formaldehyde in the presence of dry HCl gas, in the presence of fused zinc chloride, it gives 2-chloromethylthiophene. This is the chloromethyl and this is the thiophene. So this is the 2-chloromethylthiophene. Now this next reaction is the chlorination. Chlorination of thiophene. Now this thiophene on chlorination with this chlorine gas. Now this Cl2 is the gaseous state. When this thiophene reacts with this chlorine gas at minus 30 degrees Celsius, it gives a mixture of 2-chlorothiophene and 2,5-dichlorothiophene. So this thiophene on chlorination with this chlorine gas at minus 30 degrees Celsius, it gives a mixture that is 2-chlorothiophene and 2,5-dichlorothiophene. So this is the reaction chlorination. Now the next reaction is the acylation reaction. When in this reaction, when thiophene reacts with this acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, in the presence of stannous chloride, it gives this acetyl 2-acetylthiophene, and it gives the byproduct HCl. Whenever we can use the acetyl chloride, it produces HCl. Whenever we can use this acetic anhydride, it produces acetic acid, CH3COOH. So when thiophene reacts with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride in the presence of stannous chloride, it uses 2-acetylthiophene. So this is the product. So these are the chemical reactions of thiophene. The next part of topic is pyridine. Pyridine having molecular formula C5H5N, and this is the structure of pyridine. Now, introduction: pyridine is a nitrogen containing 6-membered heterocyclic compounds. Pyridine is a nitrogen containing 6-membered heterocyclic compounds, means in their ring 1 nitrogen atom and 5 carbon are present. 5 carbon and 1 nitrogen, so therefore it is a 6-membered heterocyclic compound. It has close resemblance with that of benzene, having bond angle 120 degrees. So in benzene there is also bond angle 120 degrees, and CC bond length in pyridine is 1.39 angstrom, and CN bond length is in pyridine is 1.37 angstrom. So these are the similarities in benzene and pyridine. So this is the introduction of pyridine. Pyridine is a nitrogen containing 6-membered heterocyclic compound. It has close resemblance, means it has the similarity with the benzene, that of the bond angle 120 degree, and CC bond length in pyridine is 1.39 angstrom, and CN bond length in pyridine is 1.37 and so on. Now this is the introduction. Now the synthesis of pyridine. The first synthesis from the acetylene, where a mixture of acetylene and hydrogen cyanide. Now this is the acetylene and hydrogen cyanide passed through a red hot tube produce pyridine. Now this is the acetylene, 2 molecules of acetylene, that is the 4CH and this 1CH, so these are the 5CH and this 1N. So it is undergoes the cyclization and to form the pyridine. So this is the first synthesis from acetylene. Now the second synthesis from the beta-picoline. Beta-picoline on oxidation it gives first nicotinic acid. Now this is the beta-picoline. This on oxidation this CH3 group is converted into COOH group. Okay, that is there is minus H2. Okay, and this oxidation requires 3 oxygen atoms. 3 oxygen atoms for conversion of beta-picoline to nicotinic acid. Now this nicotinic acid on distillation with the soda lime, it remove it evolves CO2 gas and to form the pyridine. So it evolves the CO2 gas and to form the pyridine. So this CO2 is evolved and this H here to form the pyridine. So these are the two syntheses of pyridine. The next synthesis of pyridine is we will take in the next lecture.